Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll introduce you to a fun Telegram bot. If you're ready, let's get started. Soon Runner is a very nice Telegram bot. Inside the Ton Station bot, which I introduced to you before, the Soon Runner bot is featured. Soon Runner gives you 3 game lives. What you need to do is collect points by tapping on the screen. You can move right or left by tapping the screen. You need to avoid mines and collect points. It's quite simple. The challenging part is making these movements with 2 characters. At first it might seem easy, but as you progress, the mines and points will become more confusing because you need to save both swimmers from the mines. Since you have 3 lives per day, you can play a limited number of games. However, if you wish, you can purchase additional lives. Soon Runner Season 1 is like this. It's a simple and fun game. If you play this game with a friend, you can achieve higher scores. We'll see how much you can earn from the points you score in the future. I frequently use Telegram bots and keep up with new trends. So far, I've seen many Telegram bots. You can find the Telegram bots I've talked about in my playlist. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.